Alright, today we have another unboxing video of what the seller sent me as my choice to replace this glass cup that arrived shattered in the post. So this didn't turn out as well as I wanted. I just could not get the pieces to stick together, probably because I think it was reconstructed once before. But you can see that this piece in particular raises up above this piece, which is not what I wanted, but as the final fitting piece, that's always the doomed one, because any error all adds up. Let's see if we can carefully, I have to do that off camera maybe, I don't want to cut myself or cut in too far. So like I said before, packages from Thailand and stuff tend to use a lot of tape. Like, more than I would have. And sometimes too much tape is not a good thing. When I got my fountain pen, the package was basically nothing but tape. And he had it so tightly wrapped on the inside with many layers of tape that I could not get the pen out. All that sawing and I'm still not throw it away. So this time, well, it was sold as an ancient glass cup. I think it was actually more of a vase of some type. Bit better packed than the last one, much more stuffing, and of course much more tape. Nice corrugated plastic box. You don't see corrugated plastic too much. Oh, isn't that cute? There's butterflies. Drop. Just kidding. So I have quite a large hand. This is the dining room table. There's not exactly much for scale here. If I go over to my wallet, oh, nope, I'm penniless. No scale, not even a penny. Oh, well, I do have a handy dandy tape measure. So the mouth opening is only about 2 inches. And the total height is only about 4 inches. So I wouldn't consider this a cup. I really think it was some kind of vase. And it could be Byzantine, could be medieval Islamic. It's very similar to another piece I have that I will show you momentarily. Nicely rolled lip. Nice applied foot. Nice trailed decoration. And fracturing expected from, being buried for over 1,000 years, being subject to heat change and whatnot. In fact, when they were making this, it looks like they pinched it a bit too hard while it was still a bit warm, because that's pretty wonky. And now we'll go home to my cabinet of wonders. Well, hello, kitten. Technically, Bible displays up there. A lot of... Stay out of there. That's a no. A lot of glass here. Let's put this back real carefully. That side facing out. And we'll fix it in a minute. But this is very similar to that in terms of how it was made. Now, they could have rolled this lip, but they decided to flare it. This one, the patina, as they call it, was so... It really detracted from the look of the bottle. So I clear coated it, which helps get rid of a lot of it. So if I clear coated that, then that should... In fact, let me get some water. And you see how it gets rid of a lot of that hazy whiteness. So putting water on it would help it display better. But they will go home into my cabinet. There's some fossils I dug in Wyoming. Now the display I made, it flips. Indus Valley culture, miscellaneous, and a pretty kitty.